and especially southern Thailand is currently lashed with heavy rainfall and flood-like situation. At present, we are here in Krabi, which is a part of the southern Thailand, and since yesterday, it is heavy rainfall that has lashed this space, especially this tourist space, because of which tourism in this area seems to be greatly affected. This behind me is the Aonang beach, which is known for its clean surrounding, and like you see, this is not just one, but there are places including Surat Thani province, the Krabi province, the Nakhon Si Thammarat province, the Trang province, which are deeply affected. Now there are multiple reasons. A strong northeast monsoon over the Gulf of Thailand and Andaman Sea combined with active wind waves is bringing intense widespread rainfall across southern Thailand. Now many of these provinces, they have coastlines, they have mountains, they have valleys, the lowlands and rivers, making them susceptible to runoff, overflow, flooding, landslides whenever heavy rain persists. Now there are many affected areas. Also the Patani, Yala and Narathiwat area, these districts are also deeply impacted. Now what we know so far is that 13 people have lost their lives because of the floods that have occurred due to heavy rainfall lashing this region, and not just in Thailand but also the borders surrounding Thailand, including the Malaysian regions, are also deeply impacted because of heavy rainfall. Now an alert has been issued for the tourists as well as for the localites who live in these regions, and some of the prominent factors also include that the northeastern winds that are being formed in the Andaman Sea is the reason why the southern and the western part especially of Thailand is deeply impacted. The agricultural lands, the densely populated cities and towns are too into the entire risk of flooding, and especially if we talk about Krabi, this is a foothill region. There are multiple low-lying areas. There are small hutments and settlements that too are a part of this entire city, because of which it is important for the authorities to ensure that when such alerts are issued, they are moved to safer spaces to avoid the risk for life and property, if we talk about in this region of Thailand. From Thailand, this is Sujata Dwivedi reporting for NDTV.